What's up, everybody? It's Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 1980 Suzuki GS 50. I just got this bike in, and we're going to take a quick walk around this thing. Rear tire has plenty of life left on it. No worries about passing inspection. You can see the exhaust air on either side, and it is chain driven, as you can see. At the tail light and the two turn signals. Got this giant luggage rack. You want to go away for 2 weeks? No problem. Throw your suitcase on there. Then you got your rear wheel. You can see rear brakes in there. This bike, I mean, it's a 1980. It's in, I think it's fair to say it's in rough shape as far as aesthetically. It runs well, but it does not look the prettiest. So yeah, there's that. There's your passenger peg. There's your rider peg. There's your side panel with that GS 750 badge. Got the seat there. Seat looks to be in pretty nice shape. There is a tear here in the side. Other than that though, I don't see anything wrong with it. As you can see, there's the motor. The motor runs really well, fires right up. No issues on the motor. Doesn't leak anything like that. Haven't found any puddles under it. There's your Suzuki badge. There is a dent in the tank right here, which you can kind of see in the light. This line coming down is from the factory, but there's a dent. It's like pushed in right here, and you can see it's missing some of the like pinstriping that had been there. Same thing here. Same thing on the side panel. But for being a 1980, it's not bad. There's your mirrors, levers, throttle, all that. It's got the nice big square headlight. And there's your turn signals on either side. Forks look to be in decent shape. I don't see any marks on them. Maybe a little bit of pitting down here on the bottom, on the lower fork, but not bad for the year. It does have the dual rotors up front. There's your front wheel. See the front fender. Front fender is actually in pretty decent shape too. There's your front tire. Plenty of life left on them. No worries about passing inspection there. No dry rot or anything that I see. There is the rotor, front wheel. There's the front fork. Kind of the same as the other side. A little bit of pitting starting there, but not rust yet. Upper fork looks good. The side of that turn signal, that is like a massive turn signal thing going on there. Or I mean headlight. There is the tank. There is some rust there, like a rust spot. Again, also missing some of that pinstriping like we talked about on the other side. There's like a mark that rubbed up against something. There's the badge. There's the motor bay. Everything looking good there. Like I said, fires right up, runs well. There's your rider peg, shift knob, side stand, center stand, exhaust, passenger peg. There you can see the chain guard in there. Rear suspension, got the helmet lock right there. There's your side panel with the GS 750 going on. This side of the seat is looking good. Again, just that one tear on the other side. That's the only tear that I found. Come over the tank. Got a mark there. Got a mark there. Got some marks there. Right below the fuel cap. Your clutch, mirror, and throttle and kill switch. All on this side. There's got this enormous gauge cluster. This thing is actually pretty far ahead of its time as far as what it offered for the gauges. Your choke is up here too. So turn it on. You can see the neutral indicator, light, turn signals, high beams, turn. There is a gear indicator right there, which when I fire it up, I don't know that it won't show anything because it's in neutral. The neutral indicator will be on. There you go. You can see that's 21,497 miles. And I have a few more than that after Sean does his test drive. Don't miss out on that video. It'll be up on YouTube. Fire it up here. Oop. Gotta be holding the clutch in. Oop. Ah, yeah. make sure the turn signals work. Oh, there you go. So your right signal, there's the rear, and there is the front. Here, if I flick it over to the left signal, all it does is just stays on in the front and nothing in the back. Imagine a bulb might make that right, but that's where it's at. If I put it, I won't be able to get in here. Nope, not while it's sitting still. That's okay. Shut it off. All right, guys, it's a 1980 Suzuki GS 750. Don't miss out on this bike, and thanks so much for watching.